ay marami, bahala ka.
Nakikita niyo ba ito? Malalaking gagawin. Mataas. Mataas yan. Do you ever wonder na ito hindi lang pang dekorasyon? Hindi natatapos. Special na pagkain galing sa isang province. This is ginagol. Damo nga salamat ang akong buto, manamerye, ang pagdaraha akon ng larasan na ginagol at muron, tikang halite. Which is made of taro, and peanut, coconut, butter. So, ayan po. Export quality na po ito. Export. So, ngayon, matigas pa siya. Frozen. Ayan. We need to put this in a preserve to prolong its life. This one, they call it moron. So, consists of chocolate and some glutinous rice. Sarap po yung at ito naman, galing din sa Leyte. This is tableya. Tableya or cacao. So, titingnan natin what's inside. So, this is the inside of moron. Ano, this is the glutinous rice and the chocolate side of it. Very delicious, not too sweet. So, slice na natin. Sarap. Sarap. So sarap. So, let's taste. So, ganyan po yung itsura niya. May peanut dun sa loob. Ayan o, may peanut din siya. May peanut. So, chocolate and peanut. Yummy. So delicious. Sana. Wow. So, it's time for us to taste the binagol, the most awaited binagol. I can only taste this once in a while or once in blue moon because hindi lahat ay laging nakakapagdala nito from Leyte. So, let's see. Sarap. Look at the syrup. Yummy. Ayan, oh. Tingnan nyo pa yung syrup. Ayan, ang sarap, no? Ay, naku, napakasakto lang yung tamis niya. Hindi nakakasawa. Just enough to the bite. Ay, just enough to my panlasa. At, ang masarap pa niyan ay partneran natin ng green tea. Steaming hot green tea matcha. Can you imagine how I enjoyed eating the binagol with matching hot green tea?